This week we will be learning about Tom Crean, an Irish explorer. We will be finding about who he was, what his childhood was like, why he was interested in exploring, where he explored, and what happened towards the end of his life. Tom was born in 1877 in Anniscall, County Kerry on the Dingle Peninsula. His parents were farmers. He had 5 brothers and 5 sisters. He went to Brackland School in Anniscall village, but left school at aged 12 to work on a farm. Tom dreamed of becoming a sailor, like many boys his age. In 1893, when Tom was 15, he stole a suit and some money. He ran away from home with a friend and joined the Royal Navy. Tom was too young to join, but tricked the Navy into believing he was old enough. Robert Scott was an explorer who was known as Scott of the Antarctic. Tom's first journey was with Scott, who was the leader of the expedition. They travelled aboard the ship Discovery, which was powered by coal and sail. They packed the ship with enough coal and fuel for the journey. On the route to Antarctica, Discovery, the ship, became trapped in the ice and was stuck there for almost 2 years. The crew of the ship erected a wooden hut on a headland which became known as Hut Point. Heavy sledges filled with up to 360 kilograms of food were dragged by the men to the hut, which was very difficult. The trip began in 1901 and they returned in 1904. On this expedition, Tom was part of a team of men who set a new record. The group had managed to get just 575 miles away from the South Pole, closer than anyone had managed before. Tom received a medal for his work on the expedition. Robert Scott recommended Tom for the medal for his good conduct and meritorious service throughout the trip. We're going to stop there for today. Now, I'd like you to take the quiz on what we've learned about Tom Crean today. Tomorrow we'll find out a little bit more about this Irish explorer.